Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about Trendline. Trendline are probably the most common form of technical analysis used. Yeah, I told you about support and resistance and Trendline. Trendline is one of the best technical analysis in the financial market. If drawn correctly, they can be as accurate as any other method. Yeah, unfortunately, most traders don't draw them correctly, or they try to make the line fit the market instead of the other way. In their most basic form, an uptrend line is drawn along the bottom of easily identifiable support areas in a downtrend. The trend line drawn along the top of the easy identifiable resistance areas. If we take the trend line theory one step further and draw a parallel line at the same angle of the uptrend and or downtrend, we will have created a channel. Yeah, looking at this image above, this is a way to draw a trend line, a channel. I will explain this further. Let's continue. To create a downtrend descending channel, simple draw a parallel line at the same angle as the downtrend line and then move that line to a position where it touches the most recent value. This should be done at the same time you created a trend line. When prices hit the bottom trend line, this may be used as a buy area. When prices hit the upper trend line, this may be used as a selling area. Now, let's talk about trend line on the live charts. Let's draw ascending channel. Now, how do you draw your trend line? Make sure it touches the strong lines. Now look at this. Look at this. This is ascending trend line. It is trending to our uptrend market. Now let's see the reaction price give from the trend lines. Now you can see price move here. Price touches this line and rejects. Now this is a signal. You can buy from this line and target the next trend line. Then if you have a confirmation from here, you can buy from this trend line, target this trend line continuously. That's how market structure is being formed, continuously. Then if you have a break to the downside, you wait for a retest at this trend line point, the confirmation, then sell. Then if you have a break to the upside part of the market, you wait for a confirmation, a retest, then you buy. That's how we go about trend line. Now let me show you how to draw the trend line. You must make sure it touches the strong areas. Now this is a descending trend line. You can see immediately price touch here, it's rejected. Immediately price touches this trend line, it's rejected continuously. This is a signal for you to buy, oh sorry, to sell. Now let me talk about this also. Look at this trend line. Price touches here, rejected. And look at this also, price created this. Now this is another signal for you. If you are selling or you are buying, just know this place will be your take profit point. Of course, we have multiple rejection at this line, and if you are selling, immediately you have a break of this high of this trend line. You can see we have a break already of this trend line. This is a buy signal for you. This is a buy signal for you, and you can target this area. This is a buy signal for you. Can you see? And we have this. This can create a trend line. This high. Can you see? Now, don't forget, you need to start following the trend. Now look at this. We have a rejection. We have a rejection. This also, there's a rejection. Now this trend line, we will surely have a rejection here because we are following this trend line. Whenever price touches it, it will reject. It will reject. Can you see? Now you can change your trend line settings, because this is a strong point. We have rejection here, we have a rejection here, so you can adjust your trend line to follow the beta structure. To follow the beta structure. Now look at this. We have this trend. If price break above this, we need a retest to continue what? The buy trend. And as you can see, a retest and moving. You don't need to dirty your charts. Can you see? Now this trend line, this high, price has touched this. So for those buying from here, can you see? The TP has been hit. Now what do we have? We have this ascending trend line, an uptrend. Now you need to follow this price. You need to follow this price. Price can touch here and continue. Continue. And price can come here, break and sell. You need to follow the trend. Can you see? Immediately price touches this, we have what? We have a buy order. You can buy and target this same trend line continuously. Can you see? Another sale from the trend. Can you see? Can you see? We might have a fake breakout. Price can come back and start buying. Then if you have a break and a retest, we can sell. Can you see? Respecting the trend. Can you see? Respecting the trend line. Now you can change it. You can see price has respected everything here. Now this price is testing this, still the same trend line. Now if we have a break to the upside, if price break above this, we need a retest towards to continue the buy. Let's wait. Can you see? Now we have a break. We need a retest for a buy continuation. Now we don't have. We need a retest like this, come back and give a confirmation. Yeah, we don't. So this is a fake breakout. Can you see? And came back to the trend line. You can buy. You can buy. And this created a trend. Can you see? Here, here. So you need to mark out everything. Can you see? Can you see? Now if price break below this, we need a retest and a confirmation. Now we need a retest. This is the retest. We can sell from the retest and our stop loss at the back and target the next support. This should be your partial. Then if you are targeting, if you have any reasonable support you are targeting, then you can go, but this should be your first take profit. Yeah, a retest and a confirmation. If you go to the shorter time frame, a confirmation will be given here, or better still, here this is the rejection, the confirmation candle, then your stop loss at the back. Yeah, your stop loss at the back. Then you target this first and the nearest support you are targeting. Can you see? Now what do we have? A retest. Can you see? Do not be panicked if price is moving above your entry, since you have a stop loss to guide your trade. You don't need to be panicked. You don't need to be panicking. You don't need to fear. Now can you see? What do we have? The TP should be there. And we successfully hit TP. Now can you see we have TP? Our target has been hit, and the trend line, you need to draw it. So whenever you have a break of the trend line, wait for a retest and a confirmation. Can you see? Can you see this? Okay, let me show you this. Can you see? You see the way price is respecting the trend line? Can you see? Our price can do something like this. Come back. Now can you see this trend? Continuously. Now we have a break of this trend. We need a retest. So that's just that about that trend line. See you in the next video.